All right, out here in Rowlett where we failed, I guess you could say failed, the inspection. The fire inspector came out here and told us that the range wasn't good. He showed us, I got video of that, showing us that the range wasn't good. So went back to the shop and grabbed my tester, and now we're gonna double check the range. So I haven't been here yet to see what the range is gonna be. So you can see the gate way down there, way down there. All right, so now I will put my tester out here and see what kind of range we get. I'm thinking if I could get 50 feet, I'd be happy. All right, we're about 150 feet. Coming around the crest of this corner. There we go. So we're at 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. We're at 75 feet and the gate's open. Alright, so we're probably about, we'll figure it out here in a minute, but probably about 300 feet. So I'm not sure if it'll get this far, but let's see what we got. So this is 300 feet. Just opened up the gate. Let's go one more. So we'll go up here and we'll test it from the other side just to confirm our range, and that's it. So it's working.